The workshop around the Partnering for Success was a wonderful program to be involved with. It really delivered us some tremendous insights that, although we probably knew the words of them, we simply hadn't implemented it before. And it's things like building trust with your partner, transparency, integrity, partnering for the long term, things such as that sort of nature, and how to work with a partner, and that you can only go at the same speed as the slowest one of the partnership, and furthermore that partnering isn't for everybody. It's, sometimes there is a time to make a transactional relationship, and then there are other times to really integrate and collaborate with a partner very well. So it was quite insightful for our business.